Hey guys, this morning we are going to be making a summer camp journal with Canva that you can put in your Etsy shop and sell as a digital product or for your own website. I went to Insight Factory and I did a search for summer camp journal, and I'm showing some good sales signals. You know, kids are going away to summer camp, so this is a great time of year for these. Um, you see they all have some pretty good sales signals on them and low competition. Then I went to Etsy and I searched summer camp journal. All right. And I scrolled down through and I was looking at some of them, and we've got the popular now, bestseller. So we clicked on that, and I'm seeing these things with the update from camp. So uh, letters that are pretty much filled out for younger kids, so they can just write a little bit and send it to you. So we're going to look at that one, and here's another one. It says letter from camp, and these are pretty popular. 7 views in the last 24 hours, 16 views. So anyway, that's what we're going to work on this morning in Canva, is a summer camp journal and letters. Okay, so let's head over here to Canva, and I typed in journal. Okay, and I'm just searching for something that has the layout I'm looking for. I don't care about the design because we are going to completely edit it and make it our own, but we want something that meets the layout we want. All right, like this one right here. That one could be used. Let's see, let's look a little bit more. I do like that one. And I think that's the one we're going to go with. Let me scroll back up. Okay. Find it. There we go. All right, and then it will bring up other options that are similar, so you can scroll down through those quick and make sure you don't want to use something else. This one is really cute too, but I think we are going to stick with this one. All right, let's. Now I goofed up there. I want to do the large, full sheet. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, and we're going to close out this print thing on the side. I'm going to zoom in just a little, not much. All right, and we are going to go to elements. Remove this. We go to elements and look for camping. Okay, and we're going to look for camping graphics. All right, and we are going to replace this rainbow with, I think, this bear. All right, we're going to put him up there. We're going to change this background. Let's see if we can find something. Camping background. How about something, yeah. Can we set that as the background? Let's see. We'll just make it real big. And we will send that all the way to the back. All right, and so now we have a camping background instead of the blue watercolor. All right, and this we're going to change to day of week. And I think I'm going to change the font on this. I'm not a real fan of the real fancy fonts when we're talking about, you know, this is obviously for a kid, so we want something that's a little easier for, you know, a child to read. Let's do the, okay, so we've got day of week there. All right, and now this we can get rid of this entirely. Because what we will do, and I'm just showing you how easy it is to take something that is already laid out in the way you want it and completely turn it into something different. Right, and in here I am just going to do I'm going to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right, and we're going to change the font on that. And we're going to move that up there. Okay, and then we can take this and make this a little smaller so we can increase the size of our, we're going to call this one Letter from Camp. That way, you know, your child can just send a quick little note home to you or, you know, anyone else. And we're going to duplicate this line here. We're going to make sure that we are. All right, and that's fine. I think I like that. Move that up, yeah, just a little. Now what I don't like, I think I'm going to change the color on these lines because the blue just doesn't go with the camping theme. Let's change that to black so they show up better. Yes, perfect. All right, and we can leave today's mood because, you know, moods will change at camp. Some days they'll be happy, some days they won't be. Okay, and here we'll change this to what I did today. And we will change the font on that. And we will change the colors. See, and you know, this is just super easy because we're, you know, grabbing a template that was already started in the layout we liked, but not for the theme we wanted. So it was quick and easy to come in here and edit this to Letter from Camp. We'll make that a little smaller. Doesn't need to be giant. Okay, center it. Let's move the bear a little bit. I like the sun. We can leave the sun because hopefully it's nice and sunny at camp. All right. And down here in this bottom one, let's see, what should we do there? Should we leave it? Today I'm grateful for. I think that should say the weather today, because the weather can change drastically, right? And we will look for, now let's go back here to elements. Let's look for sun. Make that small. And let's look for rain. Grab that one. Put that one down here. Alright, and there we go. The weather today, sunny or rainy. You could add a few more if you really wanted to. I don't think it's, I guess you could do, let's do hot. Let's take this little guy. Come down there. And let's look for cold. Yeah, and we will make him smaller so he fits down in here with our other guys. This one could be a little bigger. Alright, so there we have it. Hot, cold, sunny, or rainy. Let's make the sun a little bigger. And the cloud, the rain cloud a little bigger. Alrighty, there we go. And now, let's get rid of that star. And now we will look for a couple more camping icons. What do we want? We have the bear with the backpack. Let's do campfire, because that fits into the color scheme too that we've already got going on here. Let's change that a little bit there. And then how about, let's look for one more. Actually, I think I like this little bear who's sitting there reading the map. Let's put him down here though, instead of at the top. Make him a little smaller. And then at the top, I think I want to do a tent, something like that. How about, no, not that one. How about this one right here? I'll move that up there. And we'll make sure everything is centered the way we want it. Okay, and there we go. We have a letter from camp. All right, now what we can do is let's duplicate this page and let's get rid of a lot of these extra areas. Let's get rid of all of this. I am going to lock that background so that I can grab other things and delete them. Okay, let's move this up here for now. And now this letter from camp, what we're going to do is we're going to move it up. We're going to make it bigger. And delete those. Make this a little larger. And instead of, we're going to take that and we're going to delete that. Let's duplicate a few more of these lines. Okay. And we are going to call this let me move that off to the side quick so I can select all my lines and group them together. That makes moving things around so much easier. Okay, let's center that. We can move this little guy back down here if we want to. And we can bring to the front. And this is my camp journal now. Now, instead of the letter home, it's a camping journal. And you know what? I thought I saw a book here somewhere. And there we go. Camping. Get rid of the sun in this one. Do a book. Make that a little smaller. Okay, there's that. Let's move this down. Okay, and now we can add, you know, if you want to add any extra graphics to this one, you can. Now you can add another little one down here in the corner maybe, just something cute. How about anything, really? Let's do this, the camp flag. Let's move that down there. All right. Now you can ungroup these, right? And grab one at a time. Oh, no, I have such a hard time adjusting these. So I usually just leave them the way they are, but if you can adjust these lines better than I can, you can certainly make them a little smaller down here so they don't cross over your graphics, but you certainly don't have to. But there we go. In just a few minutes, we have a camp journal and letter home from camp. And if we go back over here to Etsy and take a look at some of these, this is definitely, you could add more to it if you want, but I think, for something basic, this is great. So that's how quick and easy you can design a camp journal in Canva for your Etsy shop. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So you guys have a great day. From here, all you'll do is download it as a PDF and upload it to your Etsy shop and you are good to go. So have a great day, guys, and I'll see you next time.